12 signs that your body has too much estrogen which can lead to weight gain. Estrogen is a reproductive hormone, which keeps under the control your menstrual cycle and ability to get pregnant. It is produced by your ovaries and takes part in maturation and releasing of the egg. It also maintains normal structure of your reproductive organs such as uterus, fallopian tubes and vagina. The estrogen effects are not only about fertility and menstruation. This hormone plays an important role in bone building, mental functioning and heart health. It was also found to keep your skin elastic and wrinkle-free. When your estrogen levels get decreased during menopause or as a result of certain medical conditions, you may experience bone fragility, irregular menstrual cycle, hot flashes, low sex drive, etc. But do you know that too high level of this sex hormone can also impair your well-being? Estrogen content is naturally increased during puberty and pregnancy. Your body can also be overloaded with this hormone when taking certain drugs such as steroids, phenothiazines or hormone replacement therapy. Other conditions, which can dramatically boost estrogen levels, include obesity, ovaries or adrenal glands tumors and diabetes. There are two ways that estrogen levels rise naturally, and that is during puberty and pregnancy. But it also can happen for some other reasons. We can get excessive estrogen from the environment or our diet. Nowadays it is not difficult to increase our level of estrogen, because it's contained in foods that have toxic pesticides, herbicides, and growth hormones. Be careful when you buy products at the supermarket, check the description and where it was produced. Signs of high estrogen in women. Pay attention to these signs and don't hesitate to go to the doctor if you find something that's disturbing you. If your level of estrogen is high, you might feel potential symptoms like 1. Fibrocystic lumps in your breasts. If you have estrogen dominance, your breasts may become lumpy. This can be tender or painful. Don't hesitate to go to the doctor immediately if you've found lumps in your breast tissue. 2. Mood swings. Estrogen impacts your mental state and emotions. These feelings will kind of remind you of PMS symptoms. You may feel depressed or have anxiety, and your emotions can be all over the place for no good reason. 3. Swelling and tenderness in your breasts. Many women feel changes in their breasts during their cycle and pregnancy because the breasts are very sensitive to hormones. If you experience sore breasts or if you've noticed that they're swollen more than usual, this can be because of high estrogen. 4. Weight gain. Increased level of estrogen can lead to fluid retention. That's why you may see the higher number on your scales without any diet or exercise changes. 5. Bloating. You may feel that every time you eat something, you feel exceptionally full and your tummy is always rumbling or feeling gassy and full. If that is the case, it may mean that there is too much estrogen in your bloodstream. 6. Irregular menstrual cycle. One of the most obvious signs of things having gone off track is an irregular menstrual cycle. If at any point you realize that your periods are going haywire, it is time to pay a visit to the obgyn. 7. Decreased libido. Reduced sexual desire can indicate certain problems in your hormonal status. 8. Heavy premenstrual syndrome. High levels of estrogen may be the main culprit of too severe fatigue, mood changes, headaches, abdominal pain and other PMS symptoms. 9. Headaches. Usually, a rise in estrogen level can cause this, but an extreme rise means extreme headaches that will actually render you helpless and unable to carry out your normal day-to-day activities. 10. Extreme tiredness. Being always tired and wanting to sleep from morning till night is not a good sign at all. It could mean estrogen is playing havoc in your body, so it's best to get yourself checked. 11. Blood clotting. It was recognized that hormone replacement therapy can extremely increase your risks of blood clot formation. Depending on the location of thrombus, you may complain of arm or leg swelling, numbness and discoloration, chest pain, breathing problems, coughing, etc. 12. Hair loss. Normally this is a male problem, but when you produce too much estrogen, you may start shedding hair more than you normally would. This can cause an even more depressive state. But you should remember that the number of lost hairs depends on your lifestyle as well.